Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English Teacher of National English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is changing voice. So let's come to the board. Number 1 example, I gave him a pen. I gave him a pen. Dear students, in this sentence you can see that him and pen. In this sentence you will get two objects. Okay? So if you find any two object sentence, then personal objects used at the beginning and as subject. So him's subjective form is he. Then auxiliary verb, I was given, I gave, that means it's past indefinite tense. So he was, then the past participle form of the verb, give, gave, given. He was given, then object, other object, a pen. A pen. Then rules says to use by me. Why I used me? I's objective form. I's objective form is me. Okay. So he, from him. This sentence contains two objects. So we have to use personal objects. Subjective form. So him's object. Him is the object and pen is the object, another object. So him's subjective form would be he. Then auxiliary verb, although it's past indefinite tense, we have to use was or were. So after he we use was, then he was, then past participle form of the verb given a pen. That means the rest of the part then by me. Then number 2, honey tastes sweet. Honey tastes sweets. Dear students, you know that such kind of sentence we have to answer this kind of sentence by following another rule. What is that? Honey tastes sweet. Passive. Then its subject would be used alike the same way. Honey. Honey is sweet. Why I used is sweet? Why I used is sweet? Because this is honey taste. Last at the end of the verb there is an additional s. So this is present indefinite tense. So I told you before that the subject would be used as the same way. So honey would be the subject. Then although it's present indefinite tense, we have to use is. Honey is. Then sweet. Honey is sweet. Then rules says to use when, because without taste, without having the taste, we cannot say that if the honey is sweet. So honey is sweet when it is tasted. Okay? Because if we don't have the taste, then we will not evaluate how sweet it is. For this reason we have to use when it is tasted. Okay? Then reflexive pronoun. Him is reflexive pronoun, you know that. So at the time of answering reflexive pronoun, what we need to do? He killed himself. Dear students, such kind of sentence also we have to use the same verb, the same subject as verb. He killed himself. Then he. After writing he, we have to use the auxiliary verb. Then he killed. Killed is the past form of the verb. So it's past indefinite tense. So here we have to use auxiliary verb was or were. So he takes was. He was, then the past participle form of the verb. He was killed. He was killed. Then he killed himself. He was killed. The rule say to use by. Then he was killed by the reflexive pronoun. Okay. So the answer would be he was killed by himself. Dear students, I already take a lot of class regarding changing voice from active to passive. Now, sometimes you will get such kind of sentence that the thief was caught. So, here you can see that it's auxiliary verb, then the past participle form of the verb. So, by saying this, you can say that it's a passive sentence. So, we have to turn it into active sentence. So, we have to turn it active because this sentence is already in passive sentence and we have to convert it into active. Very often it may be need to do on your answer script of the exam. So, the thief was caught. Then it's active. To do its active form, we have to know that who can catch the thief. The police. Yes, you know that who can caught the thief? The police. So the answer would be the police caught the thief. Okay, the answer would be the police caught the thief. Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope today, you all have understood today's lecture, and for your better understanding you must practice it at home more and more. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.